David Bowie's son is setting the record straight after rumors surfaced online that he scattered his late father's ashes at the Burning Man festival. On Monday, Duncan Jones tweeted, quote, "That Burning Man thing, what people will do and say for attention never ceases to amaze me. Not true, kind of a gross claim as well." In a subsequent tweet, Jones posted this picture adding, quote, "We all know if Dad did want his ashes scattered in front of strangers, it would be at the Skegness Butlins, which is a resort in Lincolnshire, England." Jones is the son of Angie Bowie, who was married to the musician until 1980. David Bowie died of cancer in January at the age of 69.
Well, Kendall and Kylie Jenner had an interesting night Thursday night when they got stuck in an elevator on the way to a New York Fashion Week party. Pal Hailey Baldwin and model Jordan Woods were there as well. Let's just say the girls were starting to panic a little. Well, not too much,